Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You should be signed into an administrator account. That lets you change network profiles and delete entries. First open Settings, then go to Network and Internet so you can view adapters and profiles. Once there, click Status or Ethernet/Wi-Fi to locate the network you want to remove. Make sure you note whether it's set to private or public. That affects discovery and sharing. When you've identified the network name, proceed to the adapter and prepare to remove the stored profile and its registry key. Open Windows Terminal or PowerShell as administrator. That's required to remove a saved connection profile. Run GetNet connection profile to list profiles and note the interface index or name of the unwanted network. Once identified, run RemoveNet connection profile interface index number or name, profile name to delete it. This removes the logical profile, but not always the saved network in the registry. After running the command, verify with GetNet connection profile again to ensure for a final clean, check saved WLAN profiles and the registry if the network still appears. Use netch WLAN show profiles, then netch WLAN delete profile name equals profile name to remove wireless entries. If a stubborn registry key remains, backup HKLM and delete the specific profile key under the network list. Only do this if comfortable editing the registry. Once done, reboot to apply changes and confirm the network no longer appears. If problems persist, run Network Troubleshooter and ensure no group policy is re-adding the profile.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.